It's a 2019 Subaru WRX. Get sports car handling, a roomy interior, and safety galore in a car that's as exciting as it is practically impressive. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: intercooled turbo H4 engine, sport suspension, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth streaming audio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, leather steering wheel, MirrorLink standalone navigation app, manual tilting steering column, Bluetooth, and manual transmission. Car and Driver explains a new electric power steering system is tuned to perfection, whirl the flat-bottomed 14.5-inch wheel and the nose knifes into corners precisely and predictably. Vehicles that are easy to love for a long time. Subaru. Experience it for yourself today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.